Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome on your Mac, so you always have the latest features and security updates. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your Mac. Sometimes, if an update is available, you'll see a notification icon in the top right corner, usually near the three dots. But if you don't see anything, here's how to check manually. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Scroll down to Help, then click on About Google Chrome. This will open a page that automatically checks for updates. If Chrome is already up to date, it'll say something like, Chrome is up to date, version 138.0. If there's an update available, Chrome will download it automatically. You'll then see a Relaunch button. Clicking that will restart Chrome with the newest version installed. And that's it. You're now running the latest version of Google Chrome on your Mac. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.